The present video is on the EZ config for scanning tutorial that can be downloaded from article 000052779. The slides are a presentation for beginners or more experienced EZ config for scanning users. They serve as a step-by-step guide on how to perform very simple or more complex tasks in EZ config. It is highly recommended to be explored along with the application and, in particular, the Getting Started section of EZ config, which can be accessed in the upper part of the app. This section, as the slides, offer illustrated information on how to use the different functionalities of the application. The Getting Started section also offers tutorials. The presentation itself offers information on things like how to connect the scanner, how to update the firmware, how to take images with the imager scanners, how to perform a data formatting, how to close settings, and many more. By following it along with the Getting Started section of EZ config, for scanning, configuring the barcode scanner becomes fast and easy for anyone at any time. Thank you for watching.